Hey, what's up guys? So today I have a new product. In my description there will be a link and where to buy. So before I brought it, I looked at some people's questions and stuff like that, and I wanted to prove what comes in the box. So I'm trying to make a video, and like I said, in my description there will be a link and where to buy. So today I have with me is a refurbished HP OfficeJet Pro 8028 printer. You can find it on Amazon. It's about $106, $7. It's very cheap. It's the cheapest I found. And before I brought it, I looked at some people's questions and stuff like that, and I saw that some people say it doesn't come with a power wire, it doesn't come with this, it doesn't come with that. So I'm here to prove what comes in the box when I received it. The box comes just like this. It does not come with an original HP OfficeJet box. This one came in a brown box with the labels right on it. It says it right here, refurbished HP OfficeJet Pro 8028 printer. So I was looking everywhere for this printer and it was sold out. So I finally found it at Amazon, and I was a little skeptical because of what people said in their questions and reviews. So I was a little scared, but I still gave it a chance, and now I have it here with me today. So I'm gonna open the box up. Okay, it comes pretty much filled with protection. Okay, so it will not damage the printer at all. The printer comes just like this. Okay, so in the box itself, you get a little extra bag like this with the stuff you need. It comes with your printer plug to plug to your computer if you want to run it wired. Which I heard on one of them, they say they did not get that. You get your power cord. And a lot of the questions, a lot of reviews, they said they did not get the power cord. Is it true? I don't know, but mine did come with it. There's some that said it doesn't come with the ink. And I have all four. You have the black and you have your color. It came with them brand new, all four of them. So it did come with the ink too. So they said in some videos that it does not come with the ink. You have to purchase it, or you have to go on the program HP Smart Ink or Ink Smart. Then HP support, they give you that. Limited warranty. And also they give you a little bag so you can recycle the ink. Okay, so you get all that. It's like pretty much buying it brand new so far. Then you get your printer. In the bottom of the box, it is all sealed with more protection so it will not get damaged. You get the printer. Comes in a nice little bag. It's supposed to refurbish. This one's a bit bigger than the 3830 I have, which I love. And this is the printer right here. It looks brand new. I don't see any damage at all. No damage at all. Everything is nice, even the top. Check out the glass. Looks brand new. Everything looks perfectly fine. You know, I did read that some had damages, some were messed up. So far, everything so far looks great. Looks great. So, looking at it the way I'm looking at right now is good. So, this is everything that came in the box. The printer's a lot bigger. So you get your printer, you get your USB cord if you want to run a wire, you get a charger, not a charger, a plug to your power cord, and then you get your ink. I think it's a good deal. It was a lot more expensive when I was looking for it, so I figured that this was the perfect deal. So in my description, there will be a link and where to buy this one. Like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. More videos to come, how to set it up, how to change the ink, all type of videos are coming out so I can help the public with setting up this printer and all the features that I have. Well, like I said, like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.